great for mounting up your pack out, mounting up tools, mounting up your Max Trax boards. We have something coming soon. Bike fork mounts are huge. Generally, just like keeping your gear with you, keeping it secured. Hey guys, Maddie from BuiltRight here, and this week we're going to be taking a closer look into the Bulkhead accessory rail, or bar as we like to call it. Let's get into it. So with any of the bar kits that we sell, you're going to get 2 brackets, one for each side, built for your truck, along with a piece of extrusion, and then some accessory hardware and some mounting hardware. So in front of me, I have the driver's side bracket for an F-150 short bed. These brackets are all made truck specific. They're all made of 10 gauge steel. They all have integrated tie down points because they generally are tying into the part of the bed where either a tie down loop or some other tie down feature would be. So in this, we have this cutout here, another cutout down here. This model is tacked at the top to add some provided rigidity. These are all powder coated black. These are all corrosion resistant, super strong, super robust, and easy to install. So for install hardware that's going to go through the brackets that we just took a look at into the aluminum extrusion that we're about to look at, we provide you guys some stainless steel button head screws along with some T-slot nuts. Like I was saying, the button head screw goes through the bracket into the T-slot nut that's in the extrusion. This makes for a really quick and seamless install and makes it so that you can pull your bar in and out really easily. So what we have over here is we have our accessory hardware. It has our button head screw along with the drop-in nut that we've included in the accessory hardware kit. And this is for mounting up any of your panels or other accessories that you might be putting onto your bar. So here we have our accessory hardware, which is another stainless steel button head screw along with a drop-in nut with a ball detent. And these just pop into and out of your extrusion really easily and make it easy to switch up whatever you have installed on your bar. To use your accessory hardware, you're going to take one of your drop-in nuts, you're going to angle it up, slide it in, and now we're ready to take something like one of our tech plates, put that onto the bar, take a button head screw, thread through the tech plate into the drop-in nut. Just like that, you've installed something on your bar. So in front of me is the main attraction of the bar. This is our 3x1 aluminum extrusion that is anodized black. The length of this will vary kit to kit, as will the end brackets like I had mentioned. This piece of extrusion is spec'd so that you have as much mounting surface as we could provide you guys in terms of the flat face, that 3-inch side, without being extremely intrusive into the bed. That's why we went with the 3x1. So the bar design went through a few iterations before we got to what we have today. Matt, prior to my time, had created something similar to what we have now and ended up kind of going back to the drawing board at some point, and he ended up designing the Jeep cab wall, and then after that I was a part of the design for the GM cab wall, and then after that we circled all the way back to the bar system for the F-150, which is where this product was initially launched. From there we decided to take the bar and start applying it to other product lines for other trucks, and we're continuing to build out support for different OEMs along with different bed styles, especially in the Ford line where the bed actually differs, short bed to standard bed, and all along the line. Like we had mentioned, the bar is great because it's super modular. Whether you're mounting up a panel like we have here, or I'm just installing a set of our quick fist risers. I'm going to throw the Halligan that I currently have kicking around in the cab of my truck back here on the bar. So the other nice part about the bar is right now these two risers are probably too close together. Quickly slide one down tighten it right back up. And as the seasons change or as your needs change, you could really quickly modify how you're using the bar just because you're using these drop-in nuts. And now I'm just going to put the rubber clamp onto the riser mount. So to the left of where we mounted up our Allegan, we have a tech plate. Right now it's just a blank tech plate. We are going to throw one on that is ready for a larger pack out box. Really, really nice functionality of the bar is how easy it is to be swapping things around. I keep saying it and I'll just keep harping on it because it is really, really unique. I'm going to quickly take that blank tech plate off, throw the one that is ready for the pack out on, and show you guys how that looks.
Alright, in 4 minutes.
Alright, so like you saw, it's super easy to reconfigure the bar, whether you're throwing quick fists on there, whether you're throwing a new tech plate on there, switching around for the seasons or switching around for a different project. Great for mounting up your pack out, mounting up tools, mounting up your Max Trax boards. We have something coming soon. Bike fork mounts are huge, and generally just like keeping your gear with you, keeping it secure. That kind of concludes our deep dive into the Bulkhead accessory rail. We are continuing to grow our fitment for the bar. We're taking emails and we do drive product development off of your guys' requests. So shoot us an email, let us know that you want a bar for whatever it might be, and we'll be sure to get your name added to the list and hopefully get you guys a bar system soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.